Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the Surreal photo effect to your photos in the CapCut mobile. So just add your photos that you want to edit and then go to click on the photo, go to style, and here under the trending you'll find Surreal options. Click on that and wait for it to apply to your photos. Okay, it will be done in seconds, and here is the result. You can see now your photo will become a surreal photo like this. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment if you have any question, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.